Okay, today we're going to be learning how to install MetaTrader 5 platform for trading. So, of course, forex trading, we have MT4 and MT5, but today we're going to download MT4 and also learn how to set it up. So, let's start by clicking on our Play Store. Open your Play Store or Google Play and search for MetaTrader 5. Make sure you have a very good internet connection. And then you will see that it's actually the first in the search list, MetaTrader 5 or MT5. So click on it and it will install. Click on install. So the MetaTrader 5 app will install, and after installing, we'll first of all download, then we install it, and after installing it, then we shall go ahead to configure and see how we can use the app and set up the graphs and charts, and of course log in our MT4 MT5 accounts. So probably a couple of minutes, probably in less than 10 seconds, until the download and is done, and then we can install. Okay, so now that the MetaTrader 5 app is finalizing and its download, 95%, so almost at 100%. So after that, we shall obviously go ahead to install it on a mobile. Take note, this tutorial is meant for only Android devices. I will be doing another video for iPhones. Okay, so we are done. Now we can go ahead and click on open so that the app will open. And once the app opens, you can see open a demo account. So when the app is so fresh, they have an option of where you can open a demo account. So first of all, you have to first accept all the terms and conditions for MetaTrader. What was that? Yes, accept. Just click on accept, and it will continue to open for you a demo account. And once it opens that demo account, now you can see once it opens, you will have all the quotes or all the forex pairs are being displayed. Okay, so we can also see the money that we have on the account. We can also see the account, and yeah, you can see that now we have a MetaTrader 500 demo, and it's loaded with 10,000 USDs as demo money, as a demo account that we're going to be using to start off with trading. So first of all, let's go to our history. You can see you've just deposited 10k, that's your balance. Then this is your equity, your balance, your equity, and your free margin. Then now we can go ahead and click on the quotes. So these are the forex pairs that you're gonna be trading. You have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Chef, USD JPY, USD, blah blah blah. There are very many. So if you want to be probably adding more, you go ahead and click on this plus. So you can go ahead and choose more from this list. Once you click on it, it just adds itself to the main page of the quotes. So if you want more, you can just add them from here. Just scroll, click on it. So you find that you have very many categories. We have forex, we have metals like gold, Fox USD, which is gold, silver, and also other metals. So we have indices. We have of course the German 30, UK 100, very many indices. You can also have commodities like oil and crude oil barrel, and of course many more, and natural gas or nat gas. So we also have energies or energy futures, which are actually a combination of barrels and some other stuff, commodities and energies at the same time, brought together. Energy sport and energy futures. Then we have commodities that are really soft, or the soft drinks. We have Coca-Cola, coffee, corns, blah blah, cotton, and the rest. So all that said, so those are the type of instruments of that you can trade. But if you want to go ahead and organize them in of course change order, you're gonna be seeing that in the next tutorial, but I can just go overhead it briefly from here. You just click on this pencil like of course icon, then you go ahead and drag and drop where you want them. So you can just change the order by dragging and dropping. You click on it, and of course drag, make sure you don't move your finger then until you drag it and drop it in a position where you want. And after adjusting the position, you go ahead and go back. You will find that your adjusted new position will be the new now position, or the new list or order of the quotes of the pair. So that's it. I think we can go ahead and look at the chart. So if you want to open the quote or the pair on the chart, you just click on it. You will have very many options. You can just go, for example, this is Euro USD. Once you click on it, you have an option of opening a new order. You go ahead and put your stop loss, you take profit, and also the money that you want to bid or buy or sell. Then finally you either sell or buy. They are actually here, but right now the market is closed, but we shall be going over that probably later. Sorry. So let's look at opening on a chart. So you can also open it on a chart. Just click chart and your instrument USD will be opening on a chart. So this is how our chart looks like by default, but once you have a plain chart that is actually black and white, you can go ahead and design it from settings. Here you go to your settings and then go to color somewhere here. Where? First switch to the advanced mode. So according to this structure, the green candlesticks represent bullish trends or bullish movement or increase in prices, while red or maroon candlesticks represent downtrends or bearish, of course, trends. So now from here you can go ahead and also add some or change the quote or the pair by just clicking on that dollar sign and then choose which pair you want to load on the chart currently. Then this F is actually for adding the indicators or trend indicators, oscillators to have very many volumes and blah, blah, blah. For example, if you want to add the MACD, just click on MACD. We shall just go by default done, and it will be added onto this. Now you can see that we have our MACD indicator on the chart also. So these indicators can be used to tell the direction of a trend, and also of course how to bid. So that's the F, adding indicators, and then the dollar sign is of course changing the ticker or of course the pair. Then the plus is actually locating a certain point on the graph, for example for technical analysis. Okay, then we have charts. In MT5, unlike MT4, you can open new window. I mean, you can have two windows at the same time, like the upper window and the lower window, and you can have each different window, of course, opening a different pair or a different currency. So you can manage two different currencies on the same, of course, on the same chart, or you can you can actually edit the chart from black and white by clicking on colors. Then you go ahead to, of course, edit the bar up. We shall name it as green. Bar down, we shall just take the color as the bar down color as maroon, something like that. Then we shall go for bull candle to be green as usual. Then the bear candle be maroon. I think the rest can just remain like that. The grid can be a little bit fade. Background can be white but not too white. Then finally you click on done and go back to the chart. So you can see that we have customized the chart to a more pleasant, view of colored candlesticks. So this is how they edit the chart. So that said, you can also, we have the plus in the right side corner that represents also you can just bid from here, choose your ticker from here, then put your bid amount, put your stop loss and you take profit. Then you go ahead and click on either sell or buy. Okay, so that's it. On the bottom we have of course menus where you can say quotes. Quotes are these pairs are actually known as quotes. We shall explain that more in the next video. Chart or trade, when you say trade, you will be able to see the current trades that are moving are being represented here. Then the history of the closed trends, whether losses or profits will be also displayed here. Then you can also customize of which date, today or last week, or probably last month or last 3 months, or even put a custom date down here. You can customize the date and filter out the trends you want to view in your history. What else? Messages, not that much important. I think for today that's all. We shall be adding on probably in the next tutorial. We shall be looking at something very interesting. So please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, obviously. In the next video, we shall be discussing how to use indicators, and of course on this chart, how to use those indicators and bid and make consistent profits over and over. So that said, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We shall be continuing from there.